विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
Hello students, we are back in our science lecture and today we will continue with our 13th chapter. So in the previous lecture we were seeing about the different types of nutrients. So nutrients also involve roughage and water. So we will see about roughage and water now. When we eat food such as cereals, fruits, vegetables and salad, a part of the food consists of fiber and remains undigested. This undigested part of the food is known as roughage. Why roughage is important if it is the undigested food? Roughage is very important part of our regular diet because it helps in removing the waste material from our body. So if we have to remove the waste material of our body, then roughage is an important part that we get from different types of fruits, vegetables. Yes. Now water. Water is also very important for our organs. All the organs, water is very important. And we should drink plenty of water every day. And if we will not drink proper amount of water, then what will happen? We will cause a condition which is known as dehydration. So we should take proper amount of water. And how many glasses? 8 to 10 glasses of water we should drink. Also, it is very important that we should take a balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? It is a diet in which all the nutrients are present in a right amount. Yes, for that the food pyramid is given. You can see it is in a pyramid shape. And you can see on the bottom all the carbohydrate is there, then vitamins and minerals are there, then we have our proteins, and at the top we have fats. So all we should take in proper amount, then our body will not suffer from any illness. Now we will see about diseases. If we will not take proper amount of food, then we may have or our body may face some diseases. So what is a disease? It is a state of a body in which a part or whole of our body is not in a comfortable condition. So whenever we are not feeling well, we are having fever, we feel uneasy. Yes, our body starts showing some changes. Yes, and we don't feel normal. Where suppose we feel that our temperature is high, then we feel that we are not able to see properly, our eyes are paining, then our head is paining. Yes, so these are all the sign of a disease, and the sign of the disease is known as symptoms. What is it is known as? It is known as symptoms. Now we will see about some deficiency disease. If we will not take a particular thing, like if we are not taking protein in right amount, or if we are not taking carbohydrate in right amount, or vitamins, then our body will suffer from some diseases. Like if we are not taking carbohydrate and protein in proper amount, we will suffer from the disease which is known as protein energy malnutrition. For that we should take all the types of carbohydrates and protein. And if we are having deficiency of iron, then we will be facing the disease called as anemia. And if we are having lack of calcium, then our bones and teeth will become weak. For that we should eat all the food which is rich in iron as well as food which is rich in calcium. Now if we have lack of roughage, we studied now only that the roughage helps in moving out the waste from our body. And if we are having lack of roughage, then what will happen? We will get constipation. Yes. Now here are some diseases which have been listed down. If you are having vitamin A deficiency, then a disease known as night blindness. You will have a disease known as night blindness. So you will not be able to see properly at night. In the same way, if you are having vitamin B1 deficiency, then which disease? Beriberi. Then if you are having deficiency of vitamin C, then what will happen? You will have scurvy. In the same way, if you are not having vitamin D in the body, you will get rickets. And if you are not having vitamin K, then thrombosis. So it is very important for us to take all the nutrients in proper amount. Now children, we are going to study about cooking food. Yes, so most of the food items need to be cooked before they are eaten, like the pulses, cereals, vegetables, meat, fish, egg, chicken. They need to be cooked before they are eaten. But some food items like the fruits, nuts and sprouts, vegetables, they can be eaten raw. Okay, why do we cook food? We cook food because it helps to soften the food and also improves the taste of the food. Then food is been cooked in different ways, like some food we will boil it, some we will steam it, then we bake also, then we are frying, then roasting. So all the food items should be well cleaned before we are cooking it. We should clean all the vegetables, fruits before we are cooking it. Food should always be well cooked in a clean utensils. Our utensils should also be clean and we should not waste the food. Okay students, so rest of the chapter we will continue in the next lecture. Bye bye.